그러면 지금 걸어기라. 대 로다 상무 텐데. 근데 계획이 롭도다. 아데 파마트 상마 테스트 레시오이. 아니 다른 가서 지름디 테스트 직스킹이 라요래. 아니야. 다 야가 차대 야가 되면 뭔가 샤워 남시 서울에 디인디 담만에 뱀이 유직수디 아니 진짜 개원에 레군소야 고소래. 지나 디인디 담만에 다 가족이 지름디 쇼가스디 게 차가는 고소 온 그래. 남기수도 고 차라 다 댄스디 게 차가는 고소 온 그래. 아니 상인이 상마스디 게 차가는 고소 그래. 쉐이 지나 테스트 나스샹로치 니고드는 니메스로라. 제디인디 바테스 나스샹로치 쉐이 안다나 주시 topic class A will do cubes and cube roots. Now the S check the S tinda. Cubes and cube roots. First we'll introduce cubes and then we'll do cube root. Okay. Cubes. The topic is you. Cubes and cube topic din alone nga khale ta de tango jidu manado zo senge de loi inza okay cubes topic din alone nga de introduction to cubes che ani nga given number the perfect cube de remedy ta da and then nga method chi mo share mar prime factor the method de che okay perfect square de perfect cube de remedy sa sense of perfect cube mina perfect cube so da kan simbe am so do la pa prime factor the la multiplication in the prime factors product of prime factor into the body, multiplication and division machine to make given number perfect cube by multiplying smallest number and to make given number of perfect cube by dividing the smallest number by the smallest number. This is next to find cube root. The cube root what is the cube root la prime factor method. Angi chimbu din lesson prime factor kale ka na I shortcutting it off. Shortcut method la 1 digit and 10 digit unit digit the 10 digit to zangi. Katang square root sedan la unit digit 10 digit la sa or did which ni cube root la unit digit the 10 digit shortcut method to lap in da. Ra. Okay, so topic there. So the cubes and cube root din la cube of x la chesh nangi. Of x. Understand na? That was exponential. We had learned exponential a few weeks before. The exponential now the cube of x length bakala wala x raised to power 3 lower and x raised to power 3 the meaning kare x multiplied by x or the end of the x da x multiplied by x so if I ask the cube of 10 lana means 10 raised to power 3 and this means 10 multiplied by 10. Square of 10 is 10 multiplied by 10. Number karin darang multiply words. A cube of 10 is 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. Angit ranja temusum multiply words. Okay. Then I did cube in lesson. The cube of 10 does not mention. Cube of 10 means 1000. So cube root of 10 cube root of 1000. 1000 dela angi chipuching temusum kari multiply chevre. So cube root of 1000 is 10. The cube root of 1000 la chinachi kari to radical sign Allah 10. Didn't the color cube root la orta power 3 these are 3 the order of circular the radical rate square root lang atu steed those ne andele manga to the smart de they kajin tirna cube root dinda chare root of 1000 dana dinda karena 1000 raised to power 1 upon 3 de the denominator 3 is the denominator 3 the they power okay denominator nalone fraction nalone denominator chung kare 2 자 2 in the bar 2 the thing mar 2 le manga sama de thing cube root ba 지나 가도 지난니 가도다 어찌 가도 this 티 또 스트레스 즉 word 는 cube root Okay. Chida cube na karana product or number multiplied by number itself, multiplied by the number itself. Chida number kari ne tagarang kone temasum multiply chigidala product la cube of a number. Chida okay, cube of 10. For example, cube of 5 na 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Product 125. And 125 is cube of 5 letters. The 125 angi chibudi kari multiply chel level na. Cube root of 125 is 5. Angi chibuji nga juna nga din chik chang nga yang nga chik yang nga chik na nga din som jurguduna or cube of 5 le da angi nga da kare cube root kare ki cube root product the cube root le da jurdob the cube root la ani angi kare jurgude didi cube root of product le. Okay, tang cube now on chimana if you do first I want the cube property thing, the cube of first 9 natural number property thing. Right. Okay. Okay, first 9 cube, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube, 7 cube, 8 cube, and 9 cube. All the space goes in star. These are the color 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. 2 cube means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. And 3 cube means 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 4 cube means 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. Agi kari in that time also multiplication sa. Or 5 cube means 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. 6 cube means 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6. 7 cube means 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. And cube 8 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8. And 9 cube 9 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 9. Or chapter the lelo yung first 9 cube the perfect cube the ngato leto ni award. And that is square the first 9 perfect square the ngato leto ni award. And number kari square the this number. So cube of 1 is 1. 1 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 1. Cube of 2 is 6. Rare. Alright. Okay. So we get 8. Cube of 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by cube of 3 is 27. And cube of 4, 64. Cube of 5, 125. And cube of 6, 216. And cube of 7, 343. And cube of 8, 512. And cube of 9, 729. 11, 12, 13 this you want to zoom out and the first 9 national number perfect cube right. Okay. That the unit is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Dela 1, 2, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Somewhere there. Unit is perfect cube. Okay. First step. Oh, new the odd number. 1 is odd. Or cube is odd. 3 is cube. Cube 3 is odd. Its cube is odd. 27 is the 5 odd. Its cube is odd. Okay. 7 odd number and its cube is odd. 9 odd number, its cube is odd. Remember? Is odd. Okay. That means odd number cube and answer odd. A cube of even is of even is even. Or chadang cube does answer chadang right is yadan cube does answer yadan right is to do so. That the unity condition is that unity angi unity 1 in the cube does not continue unity 1 dollars. 11 cube does not unity 1 dollars. 21 cube does not the cube the unity 1 dollars. 31 cube does not the cube the answer 3 unity 1 dollars. 2 equation 2 cube 8 12 cubes on unity 8 dollars or 22 unity the 8 dollars. 32 unity the 8 dollars. 3 cube the 27 unity 7 the or 13 cube does unity 7 dollars. 23 cube does unity 7 dollars. The 4 dollars 14 unity 4 dollars. 24 unity 4 dollars or 34 unity 4 dollars. 94 unity 4 dollars cube does 94 cube. Okay. The perfect cube like the square and style or square na perfect square redo remit $. First step unit 1 place check if the unit digit of the number is of 2, 3, 7 and 8 in bana number the perfect square maris kadu lai do the unit is 1 5 4 6 the bana 6 or 9 sorry 9 in bana the perfect square yina mena question mark le the perfect square redo remedy check check dola ngajo ka je prime factor sim method ne ma sa jang ta na cube dola this does your mark their first 9 unit is kina there is unit is 9 ta ta there's a 1 2 3 4 there's a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 to let's go 구제 든 바니 거 뒤에요 말. Okay. 당연히 어서 10 났다. Now that numbers end with 10. Numbers end with 10 되나? 10 cube 나 나오다. 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 which is equal to 1000. Okay. 100 cube 된다. 100 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 100 is equal to 1 6 2 3 4 5 2 1000 cube 된다. 이게 6 2 3 4 1000 multiplied by 1000 multiplied by 1000 is equal to 1 6 2 3 this left 됐다 정도. Given number the perfect cube redo remindo redo like kalakar remindo like lelar remindo ta dola think about this over here 가도 맞대 들어 찍다 I have 1 내 들어도 3 내가 들어 near 내가 들어도 당이다 1 2 3 4 5 6 내 들어 소미 되는 봐 맞대 들어왔다 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 3 6 9 거리 도와지도 그래 3 6 9 거리 막 벌써 3 1s 3 1s 3 3 2s 6 0 2도 3 먼저 6 there's also 3 3s out there 9 so you count number if the number ends with 0 na if the number ends with 0 you count the number of zeros. Or count number of zeros in the end. Zero zeros number ta. Kima zero is lago marta. Number juk zero and zero rang gaps. Right. If 다 당하게 들어오기 number 당하게 되면 들어오기 number ends zero number zero the three multiples 매번 해봐 som 2 9 중니 조영아 좁게 되려면 아니 given number the perfect cube remains perfect cube remains like this 되게 zero 당하게 하려고 말다. number 0 and 지금도 나오거든. 피니셔싱 해도 쓰나? 1 0 0 0 3 0 0 도시나? 오케이. 등에 뜻을 태워줘야. 0 도시나? 0 당하려고 잡아. number that ends with 0 0 대도 어디 당하게 하려다. 대 두는 0 가지고 키와 요 말다. 내가 가지고 0 2도. Over here we have two number zeros. Then 2 the 3 multiples mara. Therefore this number is not a perfect cube. How's that? 0 and chitamba, kota lela or perfect cube redo remit ba. The given number the perfect cube redo remit number shemba na if the number does not end with 0 na ani perfect cube redo remit there box still there today. Hina mena. Tadi check check tola mazo kharcha kore multiplication the prime factorization method tola. I can so the cubes the idea did la later. Point in cases na. Cube of 2.1 didn't dollar 2.1 multiplied by 2.1 multiplied by 2.1. I'm multiplying a single the shake to step. That do it good. evaluate or 2.1 raised to power 3. This test it. These are the which are 2.1 multiplied by 2.1 multiplied by 2.1. The agina power, the igina power da. Don't you put that? Evaluate cube of 2.1. Which can let it. I'm going to make a multi concept lesson dude. Or cube Karine Angitara, Temoso multiply chocolates. This and dude. Okay. That was it say the correct perfect cube determinants and do it. Is 98 a perfect cube? Topic to check whether the given number is a perfect cube or not. And then I'm a prime factors method or prime factors in the class 5 6 or 7 page out and 8 letting out exponent page out just in the money. Kiss the prime factorization to push Pamajal Majaj push Kiasna or put the Combaja charter. Prime factors gentlemen. A lot of us can the junk out. Just the money, the Kalas perfectly over. 98 की prime factor से 98 की prime factor से आउट unit digit even कतन 2 द्वार रा 2 4 से 8 चिक दे कैसा 2 9 सा और दा 49 ला तब मर भी समझना ओके 49 ला खरीद द्वार 2 दा नंबर 2 द्वार और 3 द्वार you add the digit गो का ला शिदम से चौसम रा चौसम 3 खासु चौसम रे 3 4 से 12 3 5 15 just mean so number is not divisible by 3 5 we divide to the bar or you look at one's place or unit digit. If the unit digit is of 5 or 0 the number is divisible by 5 and then unit digit 5 and 0 given number is not divisible by 5. That's 5 jara career prime next prime number or 7 that's 7 to the 7 to the 7 7 is 49 then 7 1 7 so 98 is equal to 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7. The square and square root now square prime factors in square root let's say to change now square square perfect square root remember ba factor we need to go perfect cube root remember ba factor ko sum dik that they 7 sum minda they 2 chi mo minda 2 sum minda therefore 98 is not a perfect cube. 93 is not a perfect cube. That's later. Right. Take guessing it to that's much to that. Okay, find the cube of 1 3 3 1. Is 1 3 3 1 a perfect cube? Okay, looks to 1 3 3 1 a perfect cube. 1 3 3 1 a perfect cube. Perfect cube yina mena idba. Okay. That is card but prime factor is last digit 1 order and number is not divisible by 2. 3 divided you add 1 plus 3 4 4 plus 3 7 7 plus 1 8 and 8 is not multiple of 3 therefore 1 3 3 1 is not divisible by 3. Okay, the unit is 5 or 0 and sigma number is not divisible by 5. 7 divided you can call technique janga dole Koshiki dwarch and Lellar 1 3 3 1 last 7 dwarch 7 1 is 7 right we get 6 3 7 8 is 56 yeah 6 3 is 7 plus 6 extra 7 8 is 56 7 9 is 63 1 let's 7 0 0 1 left the middle how is about a number is not divisible by 7. The 7 divided to that's next prime number. Prime number, smallest prime number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Our next number 11 divided to that. And 11 divided to Tyla. Okay, 1 3 3 1 Dinima 20 money 20 Dimachina first number the odd share even odd even this man they might not tangy odd even odd in placement the odd then you even somebody odd 방금 저 당고 되시야. 니와 되시야. 수바 되시야. 시와 되시다. 진짜 당보다 순번이디 어틴 많이 어티 니와디 even number and show even number even. Then you add this odd numbers, you get 4. You add this odd numbers, you get 4. Or even digit odd, sum of even digit and sum of odd digit to small them. And then find difference between these two. A difference is 0. If the difference is 0 or multiple of 11, you mean any given number is divided by 11. For example, this is 615. This is odd, even, also 616. Odd. You add odd, you get 12. And then it's even 1. 11 is multiple of 11. 616 is divided by 11. A difference is 11 is 11, 22, 33, 44. Yamana 0 level. To do in a given number 11 to a 2 race. Also, I shamba 11 to a 2 race. That was the difference, correct? 0 in there. So this number 1331 is divided by 11. The 11 to us. 2 digit combine this 11. 1 is 11, 11, 1 is 11, 2 left. 23, 11, 2 is 22, 1 left, 11, 1. 1, 2, 1. Odd, even, odd. 2 minus 2, even there are 2. Which is 11, 12, 11, 1 is 11, 1 left, 11, 1 is 11, 1. So 1, 3, 3, 1 is equal to 11, multiply by 11, multiply by 11. That's right. Okay. Then you factor chip sum 11 sum da. Also no factors are left over. Factor sum do. Factor yeah. Then how much? 1, 3, 3, 1 is a perfect cube. Perfect cube 됩니다. 다나. 계속 try다. The try is 1728 a perfect cube. Prime factor. Perfect cube redo remix. Okay. That is time meaning doing that him. Okay, those machine. His prime factor column sign it. Smart go. Did 1728. So the first number carried to our chamber is the prime number. First prime number in the digits are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. This is next 13. Okay, next 17 to 2 rata. Okay. Kadu check chinning it about the prime number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Okay, number is 2 a given number is a cube of prime number. Prime number cube thank you but okay, the 1728 unity check 8 in the 8 even number. Even number is a given number 2 to 2 is 2 to 2 tangida. 2 they you combine this 2, 8, 16. You write over here. So this becomes 12. 2, 6, 12. 2, 4, 8. And here even the so divide by 2. 2, 4, 8, 2, 3, 6, 2, 2, 4. And here even number you divide by 2. 2, 2, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2, 6, 12. And here even number 2. That is what 2 are 16. 2 they divide you take 2, 2, 1, 2. The 2 give 1 divide or 2 nears 2, 0, 0. The 1 she needs to carry over here. So this becomes 16 to 8, 16. And here 2 do the 2, 5, 10, 4. And here 2 do the 2, 27. And here 27 odd number. Odd number in the 2 draw 2 with the second number. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 is multiple of 3. In the you do have 3. 3, 9, so 27. 3, 3, and 3, 1. This order. Okay, the 1728 a perfect cube. Rather, you write all the prime factors. 278 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Because of the 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, and 6. And how many 3 does there? 1, 2, 3. 3, 3, and 3. Perfect square is the figure is a perfect cube into the figure sum. Oh, they two sum. They two sum. And you delete two sum. They two sums. And you delete three sum. Okay. Figure some figure is product prime figure some other figure sum. Isn't the figure prime machine Hamasa? Malati 1728 is a perfect cube. Perfect cube. Okay. Ko lelo ka prime factors in perfect square is not junction. Ko lelo perfect square effect when you do that perfect cube is check the perfect something. Okay. The given number the perfect cube na perfect cube is not out. And then you ding it do not ring a perfect square so that it lame. Perfect square mena perfect square lame. Kain I did not your mother looking in it to see can be checked here. Knew that to dealing in the last na ko lela chatur. Then perfect square so much to the love and the perfect cube to the tuna. Okay. Yeah, I'm getting kilo. Right? Okay. This is perfect square and chok mouti. Pen mouti. Right? Perfect cube and mobuti. Now putting that. Inside the two. Okay, find the least number to be multiplied to make it a perfect square. So as to get a perfect square or to become a perfect square so send it to the unity 2 is a perfect square matters. Perfect square means perfect square so smallest number can multiply chores. The smallest number can multiply chores send it to the station prime factor number. Okay. 2, 2, 3, 6, 1, 6. Okay, 2, 1, 1, 2, 8, 16. Okay. 2, 9, 3, 3, and 3, 1. Okay, 72 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Tama perfect square is the picture. Perfect square in Batella, Ferry Chipuni Comanchua, Kursuga, Ferry Chipuni Kursa, or the 2 nido. The 3 nido. Tangarasa. Oh, 1 factor 2 chiclasa. Tama fading cha seotola, my cousin Samas, 2 chick de doa, engage Samasa. Oh, the smallest number. Two. Perfect square. Square. Now find the square product to multiply. Oh, that product 2 smallest number 2 multiply 2 multiply chena and sauce right. ang saw the cube root says. Now two they multiply it then to solar. Multiply second mark is square and this square root of 72. Current multiply the smallest number 2. On yet modella squared you 72 factors on marty. Oh, yet the 2 tail multiply ang smallest number 2 jig damage. The image you go yamas. Take you to Hajure. Module check. Inside. Fake square root and fake when you read in Gua. 2 jig dancer. Or 3 need in a 3 jig or 2 they need or 2 need in you take 1 2 out. Now you find the product, we get 6, 12. Check to see it. Perfect squares now. Squares and this. The little door. Find the smallest number to be multiplied to 72 to make it a perfect cube or to get a perfect square. First step, you find the prime factor of the 72. Same about prime factor set. Or factor winning groups is not factor winning so the 1 to factor 2 is left over. Copy. Cocha robot 2 chick the door or 2 robot shabach codo, ni chawla. Robot shabadi, they two. And this is the smallest number to be multiplied. The question not only or product the or new number to multiplication and the sour shagra. Ang Saudi a square cell. Square cell you the multiply chumar to stay. And first step the number prime factors they take you somewhat that tea. A digela and number curry or through the delay multiply, pajale multiply. Or then effect that you ni ready marty and you find the product and this is square root of the new number. Then the number on kidney perfect cubes to the center. Or find the least number to be multiplied to 72 to make it a perfect square sabla, we make it a perfect cube. Find the cube root to this yash and find the cube root yash to the liquid around the topic. Or division to make it a perfect cube. Okay, PHS. Perfect cubes. That method you which can tell her, they don't think it's a window. Okay, 72 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Perfect cube, perfect cube, the effect is equal to some chills, equal to some dear. Or take 2 some door. Take the house. 3 need 3 some child and 3 got some. 3 need a 3 chicks some. Oh, you're right. 3 is the least number. Multiply to this to get perfect cube. Example take the perfect cube. Ta multiply or divide na. Multiply or divide to that. Divide 72 to make it a perfect square, only a perfect square. To get a perfect square. So as to get a perfect square. Perfect square so long as small as my shoulders. Small as my divide shoulders. Divide square the square is 72. 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. Perfect square level. I think it's need to so. Oh, 2 de lasa. Oh, 2 the new go to what new that perfect square. Very cheap. How you have copy some copy na. A 2 ni 3 multiply ladba, dig a tell the beach core. That divide copy some. I have you 2 GP. 2. We must, we should be, we should divide. To 72 to get a perfect square. To find the square root of the square jumping at Tina. find the square root of new number to divide lang I think new number later. Find the square root of quotient later. Find the square root of the resulting number later. Or divide lang square the you also is multiplication 72 or the square you or factor was 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 by 3. Cut divide number 2 divide 2 they divide or del divide 2 cut. And that divide you choose 72 divided by 2 is 7 mate. Or that factor you need the chick mate. Or that we need is 6 square bar. 72 2 36 36 square root 2 right is square bar. Divide bar factors how much some mouse or that. A factor how much 2 class or 2 the mouse or. Factor 5 children or 5 the 2 nigger ready to nigger mouse or that. The perfect cube divide children. Divide to get perfect cubes in that. Okay, cube. Okay. Find the cube root charge and take it out. That was 72 now. 72 is 0. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Angichil tishigas on test cotilella. Or perfect cube let the bar angichiferi was some 2 some this. Okay, that thing multiplication the division some da. The multiplication fairy was some solar or some needed that some Kasama solar. 3 Kasama 3 chick samosus. Smallest number to be multiplied la at 3 chick tell those la. Divide the fairy was some mina, make it of a pillar. Bigger door, there's some time was some. There's fairy was some in door. Miserable or doesn't you pure? Just check this out. Papure. Bigger door on a fair as 3 multiplied by 3. Or fair dinner pure is not. This number which must divide 72 to get perfect cube. Then you go to that. Perfect cube division goes factor. How much some mouse or that? Pension at the 5 in 5 did the mouse or multiply by 5. Then multiply by 5. Thus, now 5 yomara means the money to Sushina. Okay, perfect cubes. That conversion delta and a little shot there. Thank you so much. That's a cube to that. To what? 80. I'm so. Or to get a perfect cube number. Or to get a perfect cube number, 80. That 80 prime factor. 80. Last number of 0 to 5 to let's say 5, 1 to 5. How many? 3, 16. 2, 2, 8. 2, 4, 2, 2, and 2, 1. Okay. The 80, 80 is equal to 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 shida ngaji do chik ni som shi ngaji. Okay. Perfect cubes are affected with some digs. You combine this three. Oh, dini nada. Divide number 5 multiplied by 2 equals to 10. Is the smallest number. Which must divide 80 to get perfect cube. That dilla multiply lang getting that. Oh, which is to be multiplied to 80 to get perfect cube, na? Right? It is the 2 new land to the second part. 80 is equal to 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, 2 keep them so. Okay. 다 5 찍으면 됩니다. 5 좀 세어라. 5 같이 삼았어요. 5 대 2 삼았어. 5. 2 찍으면 됩니다. 양아 2도 좀 세어라. 같이 삼았어요. 2 2 삼았어. 2 which is equal to 100. Okay, it's the smallest number to be multiplied to get perfect cube. 자, 군지 뭐 이어 독스지었죠. Multiply the divide. Okay, that is perfect cubes so that by multiplying and dividing the smallest number. The perfect cubes solutions now you have to learn how to find the cube root. Right? Cube root right? Cube root 봐. 안그 전부 되라. 안그 진짜 찌뿌찌 그냥 거리 교대했다. 라. 안그 찌뿌찌 거리 교대했다. cube root. cube 셀나 안그 진주디 태모숨 multiplication나 교답도 가라고 됐다. 라. 오케이. 자. 얘 맞지면은 Okay, let's see. Find 3, 3, 7, 5. 당한 perfect cube 쓰다 perfect cube 쓰다래 perfect cube 레더 의미는 뭐 매트릭 자인 봐. prime factor 드신 자인 봐. cube 쓰는 반에 prime factor 드시면 비슷한 거다. 오케이. first take prime factor 드셔야 돼. 3, 3, 7, 5 prime factor 드셔야 돼. Find the cube root of 3375 lesser or evaluate 3375 raised to power 1 upon 3. Tuna chipata. They got the quality by rational exponent here. Did you got the or you can write as to the skew there. 3375. Those list. On your mind is the quality certainly. That another. The cube root is certain meters of obtaining my 10,000. Square root must be more. Okay. Let's take $1 of prime factor of the sales. Then 5. Last digit 5 you don't have 5. 5 that you 33, 5, 6, 30. 3 left. 3 there. 37. 5. 7 35. Some something, Nila. You write over here. 5, 5, 75. Again you do have 5. 5, 6 draw each other, 5, 1 is a 5, 1 left 17, 5, 2 is a 10, 2 left, 5, 5 is 25. So that's 30. 5, 6 is 30, 3 left, 3 37, 5, 7 is 35, 2 left, 5, right, 5, 1, 5, 2 is a, then 5, 3 is a 15 now. 5, 3 is a 15, right? Left. Again divide 5, 5. 5 there combines. 5, 2 is a 10, right? And then 3 left, 5, 7 is a 35. Okay, that's 3. 3, 9 is a, and 3, 3 and 3, 1 is 3. Technically find cube root. Fact the grass no ko temo sum ban go. Hanga 3 and 3 temo sum to that cube root of 3, 3, 7, 5 is they're radical, you know. There is a there. That failure is how much? 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. The square root of failure we need to go. Cube root of failure was some. 5 sum the ne, you take 1 5 out. 3 sum the ne, you take 1 3 out. 15. The question the decimal point na this is find cube root of 3.375. Find the cube root of 3.375. This is the cube root of 3375. This decimal point angle to angle 1 2 3 you write 1 2 3. Zero sum the numerator for prime factors in cube root of 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Your prime factor says denominator prime factor must say 1000 means 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. That factor is equal to 5 3 or 10 sum 10 ching ma 15 upon 10 at 0 chik 1.5 this day. Well, lelo chat. I did link it to quite a little pair. Right? Tama Karikan here. Angi Chimbu shoes in example, a lot of now there, you mind when 6 digit, 5 digit near. That now structure of the 4 digit number 2. Right? Okay. That guessing a prime factor is in the color how choose na. That's shortcut method. Yeah, shortcut method dollar, you think that's a thing out of level does. 제가 좋아해. 그냥 되게 요새돼. 오케이. 다들 năng 치면은 3, 3, 7, 5. The prime factor remove 고도. 당 얘기 더 나올 땡들이 once digit and 그 10 digit 두근다. That is method perfect cube in the left, cube is in the money. Number 2 put say number 6 digit give perfect cube on say cube root, sorry. Okay. So also the cube root na find cube root 3.3375. You know. Here the more unit digit that unit digit 5 da. Okay. The first 9 digit number cube down unit digit 5 quarter da. 5 dead. 5 the curry cube 5 down. So unit digit 5 na 1 digit 5 to. Then now the square is angi was nikiwa cube was angi was somki. Somki sa. Somki ne ta left over to the near. Left 3. Okay. The perfect cube value. Value 3 ni show caught. Exact mena 3 nyunga. Monkey 3 nyunga. 8 예쇼래 1 예쇼 드즈니 예쇼다. 드즈니는 그런 용어래. 이 용어라. 1 digit. 10th place or 10th digit 1. Therefore, cube root of 3375 is equal to 10th place near sha or unit place 제거시대 15. 내가 지금 책에 틀렸어. 다 이상한 게 있는데 cube root of 1728 됐나? Unit got 8 da. 8 how the dinner unit place 1 unit place 8 7 6 8 de do 8 the correct cube dando 2 cube remember 1 digit 2 the 10th digit this one papi ina khalasa 1 da 1 the exact chibo do chibo de 1 correct cube do 1 the 10th digit 1. Therefore, this is equal to 10th place near unit place. Rap paper keep kushima kozi kamni na sagda. Shortcut by the only. The example shimbashing a chimana. Okay. Begin. Yeah. The last na. 4096 try. Kids try to come to go. Kids try. The common chair go in the 3 young in the 1st place, the 10th place. Shing do it. Okay, that's the sign. Did me that. Unity 6 unity code. 6 unity dead. The correct cube though 4. 1 digit. 1 digit or 1's place. Jignela Kalle would 4 lego those. 다 안기승 파피스. 비나 마칼라데 4 하고도스. 다 10th place 다 sometimes. 4 lit 바 for 니쇼 들리냐 exact link with 들리 니쇼 제 융아 하도스. 1 cube 1 2 cube 8 다 니쇼 다 8 망다서 4 into 1, so you take 1. Therefore, square root of this is equal to 14. Có lẽ lâu đó. Tất nhiên là ăn ngọt rồi. This is the cube root of this. Pi in place. Anh có lẽ lâu chả rồi. Nghe thằng một là number đi unit place ta. Unit place 9 na, first 9 natural number then unit place 9 khwa tu eta. 9 as the khari cube de. The unit place la pap. Ta dine number sum pha tang. Thama khala se. Thama la kyu di di veli chikpa yu to uch chara. Chikpa yu na chikpa. Mena tilite nyunga kyu kharte. The number khari cube de. Number di tens place cha. 10th place da unit place is such thing wa da la sa see kyu chang mar ra okay ones place the 9 da nan khawar de 9 de da nan khari cube da 9 ki unit place 9 the 10th place sa ra number sum pil sa number sum pa ko de de lama har do okay 24 24 the value de tinal value ni sho khawta 1 8 27 or 8 27 li de 24 de tibar da 27 mangda sa 24 la ba da khari cube 8 khari cube da 2 cube da 10th place de 2 shots then number kar do is equal to 10th place ni asya unit digit asya 29 magic 그렇지 앙스 magic 특신다 앙스 텔레라 magic char 앙이 쳐부 되는데 당연히 last number 측도 1 2 1 6 7 this is 딱 야고인다 ones place ones place 가서 이래 방법 unit 7다 니나 7 가도 되다 7 거리 큐브도 3 ones place 3 shots 남은 patterns 12 liters okay 12 거의 쇼です 12 8 다 same parts 얘네 12 27 융화도 8 망아도 아시다 8 디키도 왔다 이제 number given number 들래 왜 exact 하면 될 융화 키도 그다 12 8 융화라 and 8 디 거리 큐브 돼 2 2 the 10th place 2 shots 지나가 갈리래 10th place ni ache in place cha 23 liters 계속 잭시다 23 multiply by 23 multiply by 23 1 2 1 6 7 라고 됩니다 오케이 되고 start 가다 내게 있다가 시작이 topic cube and cube 때 지나가서 드는 라도 뭐 니만 가스고 니만 가스고 때 topic 아이 부 야고에는 거니만 som나 사로 되라 오케이 디나로라 odd number to meta then your this in there shu ke chom medicine baring at diesel pawge topic din main theme di anga tani tuk smart to be sure an number language ge kaza square and square equations na antri level pe ore ta din na nya to de kharna prime factors shimeter prime factors ya we sing minna okay please read class 6 textbook take class 6 textbook tani playing with number din na la prime factors khane tadu class 6 ke we sing mit samsna class 5 da khamar class nanga ta da nanga nang le ti topic chair je dine ta gi ya to ri sta le la yo re sam do la so ani nga ta ga sha gi yin an tin da je ma je yong